So it's the time of year that tomatoes are almost done growing, and quite frankly, we all have green tomatoes on our tomato plants because here in the Pacific Northwest, we don't have enough time for our tomatoes to ripen. What do? So what we do is we trim our tomatoes, and quite honestly, we trim brutally. Above the last stem with fruit on it, green and or otherwise, you just start taking off all greenery, essentially denuding the plant of its foliage. What this does is it allows the sun and air to reach the tomatoes, speeding the ripening time for each of the plants, allowing air to circulate between the branches so that you don't allow black mold or the tomato blight to take your crop earlier than necessary. I do want to show you that if in fact you have some smaller tomatoes that are still green at the top, it's okay to go ahead and cut a couple of them off because they probably won't have enough time to get to size and ripen with the weather we have left. Go on out there, grab a pair of shears or scissors, take off as much of the greenery as you can, and allow your tomatoes to ripen so you can still harvest and enjoy.